welcome back to another episode of JWD Outdoors. Got Jeremiah, Damien, and Lauren along. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually gonna hit this lake. I know we're in northern Wisconsin. It's usually well populated with bass. We got the boat along. Just got up here. As you can see, the lake's right there, and it is just getting light out right now. So hopefully with any luck, we'll catch some nice fish today. There's some tanks in here. I don't know if we're gonna catch any or not, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna get the boat in the water and then mosey on our way out there and see if we can find some fish. All right, we're ready, Paco. Thank you. All right, we just got out here, and it is dead calm. I'm switching up baits right now. I'm gonna throw plastic for a bit. What do you have on right now, Damon?
Got a St.croix on there. It's a, I'm not sure what color it is.
I'll show you. What, a 7-inch? I don't know. Who makes that again? Oh no, I can't remember. And see what happens. This bee is gonna make me very mad. There's only bass in there? No.
There's gills and stuff. There's pike, I bet, too.
There we go. Freaking cruising, damn it. All right, ready? Don't let go yet. Okay. Hold that right there. Jesus, I'm not used to this.
Decent.
Damien's already hooked up. First fish of the day.
Baby guy, but
good start.
Yep.
Back in she goes. Here we go. Fish number 2. Damien's just killing it on the Senko. Me with a worm. I don't know if it's a worm or what it is. You have a weight on that?
nice little guy. Nope.
Nice little largy.
Need one about like this, man. You little bugger. I bet.
Damien.
I'm trying to put you back. Alright, see you later, little buddy.
Oh. Oh. No. I tried turning the GoPro on fast, but I don't think I got the whole thing. Decent little bucket mouth, not bad. Inhaled that worm. Oh, there we go. Back in you go. See you later, buddy. Here, throw one of these on.
Bubblegum pink.
I'm gonna go with dark again, kind of like what you had on.
Trying to break colors.
See what happens. I think we caught about 3 bass so far in about 20 minutes. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Alright. Get them.
Damien hooked up.
Nice. Little guy.
Little boat flip. After he just changed the worm.
Nice little fella. Need to upgrade in size here soon. Alright.
I'm a fast master 'cause I get that fast. When I wanna get some, I can get some fast.
through the hole with my 4-stroke Johnson. You know I got holes all across Wisconsin. No matter if it's black or white, I keep that bass every day and night. I rig up and toss it and give it a flick. That bass is gonna feel my ugly stick.
That's nice. Leave that guy to go there. Should work pretty good. I think dances a lot.
Oh my god.
Secret bait going. Giant. Looks as big as his mouth is. Nice little guy.
Just wait, don't release him. Release him.
Thank you. Just what I wanted, shower.
Big fish. That feels like a big fish. Maybe not. I don't know. It's gonna jump.
Nice one. Good.
Not bad. Oh, dude, that's a nice fish, I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, dude.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish.
What, man?
Heck yeah, dude.
Wait, it's almost gonna fall over. I'll grab it.
Nice bucket mouth. Biggest one of the day so far, and he just choked that hook. I don't even know if I would try doing a John B right now, but I'm not sure how he does that. Just like that. Nice bucket mouth. Not huge. Fun fight though.
Oh, 15 inches.
Heck yeah. Alright, ready for the release? Heck yeah. I don't mind catching a bunch more like that. Pause. Alright. Thanks, buddy. There she goes. Alright, let's get another. Hold you when you get up on that flat. Oh! Come off.
Son of a gun. Oh, wait, what the hell is that? Damn it.
Looked like a nice fish.
There it was, I think. I don't know if it, I don't think it's a bass, honestly.
No, check your bait.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this for a little while. All slimy. Okay. Very good. Alright. Nice little pikey. Alright. Slimy little fucking thing. Oh! Oh! Oh no! That? No, he ain't that big. I don't think. There's your worm. There's the tail of it.
More of the tail. Little largy. Gotta fix my worm, get a new one on. Little large mouth. Bucket mouth. Clear water too, it's cool.
Perfect.
Yeah. First drop in this backwater right away.
Alright, so I'm gonna try a new color. Got a brown body with a chartreuse tail. Catching, I think we've caught, what, 8 bass today and a little pike.
Yep. Only been at it for, I don't know, we've been out here for 2 hours now.
If that. Still looking for that 12-pounder.
Mondo.
Well, they're in here. Just gotta find them. Right there. Right in that open water. Come on. Decent.
Number 9. Damien, move.
Oh, you're catching up to me.
10 bass now. They need to get bigger. That ain't gonna cut it.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be real fun. Number 11. A little bit bigger. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh! Damn it. Just watch my line, that's all I had to do. Didn't even wait, it is the hook.
After the big old snap around him in the bed and bite.
Jesus, it's all the way in there. God.
Scaring all the fish away.
What in the hell did you do?
I don't know.
Watch that.
Uh-huh. That's sweet.
Wait, no, give her.
Alright, so we just got done here. We did pretty good this morning. I think we ended up with what, like 12 bass?
Yeah.
And a little pike. We're gonna go try and find a new lake to go to right now because this one's not the best midday bite, so.
I'm not sure, we might finish this video up right here. Otherwise, if we do go on the next lake, we'll put that in the video as well. So, if not, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. There's some bass, obviously not huge, but it was still fun. Still caught fish. Decent video, so hopefully you guys enjoy. A little more to come.